In this video, I'm revealing 12 secret features that will completely change how you use the platform. I'm not talking about the basic tips. These features let you take control and actually make YouTube work for you. Let's start with the feature that will revolutionize how you multitask forever. The biggest problem we need to solve is that YouTube is completely trapped inside a browser tab. It's locked down, buried under a pile of other tabs, minimized and screaming for attention. It's messy. But what if you could break YouTube free and make it float above all other apps on your desktop? You want to watch a tutorial while you work, but you're constantly flipping back and forth between windows. It's like trying to have a conversation while someone keeps closing the door. This is where picture-in-picture mode comes in. Check this out. Just like that, your video is free. It's a floating window that stays on top of everything else. Your code editor, your Google Doc, your email. You can resize it and move it anywhere, and it will never get lost behind another window again. Just right click twice on any YouTube video and select picture in picture. It's really that simple. But what if we could free YouTube from your browser entirely? This trick gives YouTube its own dedicated house on your computer. In Chrome or Edge, go to YouTube and look to the far right of your address bar. You'll see a little icon pop up. Click on that to install YouTube. Now YouTube lives on your taskbar like a VIP. It opens in its own clean window, with no other tabs to distract you or get in the way. It's faster, more organized, and fundamentally changes the dynamic of YouTube from a website you visit into a program you use. This is what it means to finally make the platform work for you. But what if the problem isn't the browser, but the actual video itself? We've all been there, frantically scrubbing through a video, trying to find that one useful part while skipping the sponsor spots and long intros. What if you could skip straight to the answer without scrubbing at all? I'll show you how with a new feature YouTube calls Jump Ahead. Jump Ahead analyzes where the most viewers skip to. It's like having 1,000 people tell you, hey, the good part starts right here. When you double tap or hover over the timeline, a button will appear that will let you instantly jump to the most valuable moment. It saves you from wasting on time on filler and gets you straight to the point. Speaking of saving time, if you're finding these features useful so far, hit the like button. It saves this video to your liked videos playlist for easy access later. Plus it helps other people find this content so they don't have to scrub to finally make YouTube work for them. But what if the problem isn't just finding the good part? What if you need absolute frame perfect control over your content? Now that your workflow is cleaner, let's get precise. Have you ever tried to screenshot a video and ended up with a blurry mess or those annoying player controls directly in the middle? It seems impossible to get it right. Luckily, there's a hidden trick for this too. First, pause the video exactly where you want the screenshot. Now right click twice on the video and you'll see a different menu. Select copy video frame. This doesn't take a screenshot of the whole screen. It copies the actual full resolution frame directly from the video itself, giving you and getting a perfect screenshot every single time. But sometimes even a perfect pause isn't precise enough. For video editors, animators, or anyone trying to analyze a fast moving detail, you need absolute frame by frame control. The mouse is useless for this. It's like trying to thread a needle while wearing oven mitts. Here's the secret. Once the video is paused, use the comma and period, also known as the full stop keys, on your keyboard. A comma goes back one frame and a period goes forward one frame, giving you a level of precision that feels like you're using professional editing software. But now that you have that perfect moment, how do you share it? Well, first off, stop telling people to skip to 3 minutes and 15 seconds. You can send them a link that does it for them directly. When you hit the share button, just look for the little checkbox that says start at. Click that and the link will automatically add a timestamp. When your friend clicks it, the video will begin at that exact moment. It's a small change, but solves a huge problem. You eliminate the awkwardness of telling someone to skip ahead and instead send them a professional seamless link that gets everyone straight to the point. Speaking of making your workflow work for you, what's the one YouTube feature that you can't live without? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you use YouTube for learning, this next section is going to blow your mind. Did you know that YouTube automatically transcribes almost every video on the platform? It's like having a textbook at your fingertips for every video you've ever watched. Below the video description, click the 3 dots and select Show Transcript. Full searchable transcript of the video appears. This is a game changer, especially for those finding a specific quote for a research paper, jumping to the exact point of a long lecture, or finding that one key line in a review without re-watching the whole thing. You can even click on the sentence to jump to that point in the video. But we can take that step further. For serious learners, there's a Chrome extension that links to NotebookLM. I've got a link to the extension below. When you're on a video, maybe an educational video, you can click on this extension to instantly have the video added to NotebookLM and generate a summary, identify key topics, and create a full list of takeaways. Instead of spending 30 minutes watching a video to see if it's relevant, you can get the entire summary in a few seconds. It's not just a tool, It's like having a personal AI research assistant for every YouTube video you watch. They can instantly distill and organise the most critical information for you so that you can spend your time on what really matters, understanding and applying the information. Finally, for premium users who travel or commute, this is the ultimate convenience upgrade. You can go into your YouTube settings and enable auto downloads. Imagine walking onto a crowded train or a long flight and having instant access to a custom, ready-to-watch library of videos. YouTube handles all the work. It intelligently downloads a fresh selection of recommended content to your device based on your watch history. So the next time you're on a plane or a train with no Wi-Fi or dodgy Wi-Fi, you'll have a library of fresh content for you. Zero preparation required. That feature takes care of your travel. But what about those moments when you're connected? YouTube Premium turns out to have a few more tricks up its sleeve. Small, almost hidden details that will dramatically elevate your day-to-day viewing experience. We've all been there, right? You're glued to a video and it's whisper quiet. So you crank up the volume all the way up. Then the very next video kicks in and it's deafening, making you lunge for the volume slider. It's a constant annoying battle. YouTube has a fantastic, often missed setting to solve this problem for good. In your settings under playback and performance, turn on stable volume. Think of this feature as your own personal dedicated audio engineer. It automatically and intelligently evens out the sound levels between videos so every video plays at a comfortable, consistent volume. It completely eliminates the volume shock. It's the definition of set and forget feature that makes your entire YouTube experience immediately more peaceful. Now, what if we can make your screen feel just as calm and immersive? This next feature might be the best visual upgrade YouTube has ever released, and most people don't even know its name. It's called Ambient Mode, and it's specifically designed to transform dark mode viewing. You're not just watching a video anymore. Ambient Mode subtly takes the dominant colours from the video and gently casts them into the background of the page. It instantly breaks those harsh black edges and makes your content feel less like a sharp window and more like a cinematic extension. It's a small detail, but it makes the video feel totally integrated and alive, and it's fantastic if you're watching YouTube at night time on your devices. You can easily turn it on using the settings gear inside the video player itself. Now let's solve one annoyance that has plagued YouTube viewers for over a decade. Finally, the feature we've all been begging for, a brand new update that fixes YouTube's most frustrating visual problem. You know the drill. You're watching the final crucial seconds of a tutorial, a reveal, or a comedy, but suddenly, bam, giant blocky thumbnails for other videos pop up and completely cover the screen. It's infuriating. YouTube has quietly added a permanent fix, a discreet hide button. It's a small icon in the top right hand corner of the player. Click it once and those distracting thumbnails instantly vanish, letting you see the content you actually came for until the very last frame. No more guessing what happened in the final few seconds. So the next time you open up YouTube, remember, it's not just a passive streaming site, it's a powerful tool waiting for your command. You now have the keys to control it with precision, learn from it with AI-powered assistance, and build a viewing experience that's truly your own. And if you want to master all the tools you use every day, including your workplace technology and IT strategy, then you need to follow us here at Kimberley IT. Hit that subscribe button now so you never miss another game-changing technology tip. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.